Today we're showing you a 2020 John Deere 5065E four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Tractor has just over 100 hours on it. It's practically a new tractor. Tractor comes off a solar project where it was used to plant or reseed the fields. It's practically a brand new tractor. It does have the loader valve and joystick, so adding a loader can easily be done to this tractor. We do have new loaders available at the time of this video, and also occasionally have used loaders available. Has the telescopic arms on it. We had a number of these, or have a number of these tractors that are coming off the same solar project, so check our inventory for current listings. Again, they're all ranging from 30 to 150 hours, and they're practically new tractors. 12-speed transmission with the powered reverser. Have the 540 and 540E PTOs. Still come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2025. It's practically a brand new tractor. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing for qualified customers. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors on our yard, please feel free to contact us. We have approximately 120 to 130 used tractors available. If you have any questions, please call us or contact us on the web at masttractor.com.